We are going to start Python. We will do overview in this video. First, we are going to discuss introduction. The word Python is like a reptile that we prefer to see either in jungle or zoo. But it is a time to change the image. Now on you will remember word Python for its playfulness and pleasant productivity. Well, because now on you will get introduced to a new programming language, that is Python, which promises to make you a big programming fan. Python programming language was developed by Guido van Rossum in February 1991. Python is based on or influenced with two programming languages, that is first ABC language and the second one Modular 3. We are not going to discuss uh, the programming languages in this video, but we are going to take overview of the Python. We will see here some minuses of the Python and some places of the Python, working in Python, understanding first programming script. Okay, then Python is an easy to learn yet powerful object oriented programming language. It is very high level programming language as many other middle level not so high level language like C++, Java, etc. We shall introduce you to play full word of piquant Python. Piquant Python means piquant means pleasantly stimulating or exciting to the mind. So now we are going to discuss about the Python pluses. Uh, Python language came into being in early 1990s, yet it is competing with ever popular languages such as C, C++, Java, etc. in popularity index. It is very easy to use language. Python is compact and very to use object oriented language with very simple syntax rules. It is very high level language and thus very programming friendly, and it is also expressive language. Python is uh, favor lines of code and a similar syntax. For example, Python is compact and easier to understand. Python is interpreted language. Python is not a compiled language. It makes Python an easy to debug language and thus suitable for beginners to advanced users. For most type of requirement, functionality is available through various modules. For Python standard library. For example, for diverse functionalities such as emails, web pages, databases, GUI development, network connections, and many more, everything is available in Python standard library. Thus, it is also called Python, follows batteries included philosophy. And now the fifth, that is cross platform. Cross Python can run equally well on variety of platforms, that is like Windows, Linux, Macintosh, supercomputers, smartphones, etc. That makes the Python true cross-platform language, or in other words, Python is a portable language. It is also a free and open source. Python language is freely available along with its source code. Variety of usage. Python has evolved into powerful, complete and useful language over these years. These days Python is being used in many diverse fields, some of which are scripting, web applications, game development, database application, system administrations, rapid prototyping, and GUI programming. And now, after seeing pluses of the Python, we are going to see the minuses of the Python. Not the fastest language, right? Python is very powerful yet simple language with so many advantages. It is not the perfect programming language because not the fastest language. It is an interpreted language, not a fully compiled one. Fully compiled languages are faster than their interpreted counterparts. So Python offers faster development times, but execution times are not that fast compared to some compiled languages. It has lesser libraries than C, Java, Perl. Python offers library support for almost all computing programs, but its library is still not competent with languages like C, Java, Perl, as they have larger collection available. Sometimes, in some cases, these languages offer better and multiple solutions than Python. And Python is not a strong on typing binding. Python interpreter is not very strong on catching type mismatch issues. For example, if we declare a variable as integer, if you are declaring a variable as integer but later store a string value in it, Python won't complain or pinpoint it. It will print the same as a, not 2. Then now it is not easy convertible. It is not an easy convertible because of its lack of syntax. Python is an easy language to program in, but this advantage has a flip side too. It becomes a disadvantage when it comes to translating a program into another programming language. This is because most of other languages have a structured defined syntax. So now we are familiar with the Python offers as a free and open source language. Its users are growing by leaps and bounds. As per 2020 January Popularity Index, Python was second most popular programming language after Java. And that is the reason it is part of our life. We are not going to leave it working in Python. So in this video we are discussing from here, and I will make the second part of this. So subscribe to this channel to receive the notification of the second video. Thanks for watching.